Welcome to this tutorial on Cloud CDN, which stands for Content Delivery Network. Cloud CDN is Google Cloud Platform's powerful service designed to speed up global content distribution. Throughout this video, you'll learn how Cloud CDN helps deliver your web content faster to users around the world, reducing latency and improving overall application performance. Cloud CDN is Google Cloud's globally distributed edge caching service that accelerates content delivery to users worldwide. It works by reducing latency, which means it serves your content from locations that are closest to your users, ensuring faster load times. Additionally, Cloud CDN lowers bandwidth costs through efficient edge caching, which means less data needs to travel long distances. The service integrates seamlessly with Google Cloud Load Balancing, making it easy to set up and manage within your existing Google Cloud infrastructure. Let's understand how Cloud CDN works in 4 simple steps. First, a user requests content from your application. Second, this request is automatically routed to the nearest Google Edge location, which is a server close to the user's geographic location. Third, the Edge cache checks if the content is available. If it's available, this is called a cache hit, and the content is served immediately. Fourth, if the content is not cached, which is called a cache miss, Cloud CDN retrieves it from your origin server and caches it for future requests. This process ensures that subsequent requests for the same content are served much faster. Cloud CDN offers several key features that make it a powerful solution. First is the Global Network feature, which leverages Google's global infrastructure with over 200 edge locations worldwide. Second is security, with built-in DDoS protection and HTTPS support for secure content delivery. Third is cache control, offering flexible caching rules with custom TTL, which stands for time to live, and cache invalidation capabilities. Fourth is monitoring, providing real-time metrics and logging through cloud monitoring, so you can track performance and troubleshoot issues effectively. Cloud CDN supports 2 types of backend configurations. The first type is Backend Services, which can include instance groups, NEGS, which stands for Network Endpoint Groups, or serverless backends like Cloud Functions or Cloud Run. The second type is Backend Buckets, which are cloud storage buckets specifically used for static content delivery, such as images, videos, CSS files, and JavaScript files. These 2 options give you flexibility in how you structure your content delivery architecture. Cloud CDN provides 3 different cache modes to control how content is cached. The first mode is Use Origin Headers, which caches content based on the cache control headers sent from your origin server, giving you fine-grained control. The second mode is Cache All Static, which automatically caches all static content regardless of headers, making setup simpler for common use cases. The third mode is Force Cache All, which caches all content with custom TTL settings, overriding any cache control directives. Each mode serves different needs depending on your caching strategy. Setting up Cloud CDN involves 4 main steps. Step 1 is to create your backend, which means configuring either a backend service or a backend bucket depending on your content type. Step 2 is to enable Cloud CDN by turning on the CDN feature for your backend configuration. Step 3 is to configure cache settings, where you set the cache mode, TTL values, and customize cache keys based on your requirements. Step 4 is to set up a load balancer by creating a URL map and forwarding rules that route traffic to your Cloud CDN-enabled backend. Cache invalidation is the process of manually clearing cached content when you update your origin files. This ensures users receive the latest version of your content immediately instead of waiting for the cache to expire naturally. You can perform cache invalidation using the gcloud command line interface. The command shown here is gcloud compute URL maps invalidate CDN cache, followed by the path parameter specifying which files to invalidate, such as /images, / for all images, the host parameter for the domain name, and finally the URL map name. This command will clear the specified cached content within approximately 10 seconds. Let's review some best practices for using Cloud CDN effectively. First, set appropriate cache control headers at your origin server for optimal caching behavior, as this gives you control over how long content stays cached. Second, use versioned URLs or query parameters for cache busting, which ensures users get updated content when you make changes. Third, enable compression at your origin to reduce transfer sizes, making content delivery faster and more efficient. Fourth, monitor your cache hit ratio through cloud monitoring metrics to ensure your caching strategy is working effectively. Fifth, configure custom cache keys for query string parameters to fine-tune how different requests are cached. Following these practices will help you get the best performance from Cloud CDN.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.